Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for boards Class 12. Start by building a strong foundation. Understand the basics of naming compounds and identifying functional groups. Then, dive into reaction mechanisms, focusing on the movement of electrons. It's crucial to grasp the why behind reactions rather than simply memorizing them. This approach will make complex topics much clearer. Active learning is essential for success. Don't just read, solve a wide range of problems from your textbooks and past board exams. Make flashcards for important reagents, their functions, and the conditions required for specific reactions. Challenge yourself by predicting the outcomes of different organic transformations. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and improves problem-solving skills significantly. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Set aside time to revisit all chapters regularly, which helps reinforce concepts and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Be mindful of common exceptions and typical errors that often appear in organic reactions. Discussing challenging topics with classmates can offer fresh perspectives and help clarify any lingering doubts you might have. As you approach your board exams, focus on refining your answer writing skills. Practice constructing complete, well-structured responses, ensuring you include balanced equations and clear explanations. During the exam, manage your time wisely by tackling questions you're confident about first. Remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your preparations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.